Rich people sabi teach their pikin better things. Na im make most of their pikin be better people for the society today. Today, I wan talk about 3 things wey rich people dey teach their pikin and wey poor people no dey teach their pikin. Welcome to my page, the house of inspiration, motivation, information and entertainment. Abeg make sure say you follow this page, like, comment and share my post. Thank you. Without wasting much time, make we jump inside the real matter. Number 1, rich people sabi teach their pikin how to read better books. Rich people understand say na for inside book person fit take learn new things, and person fit learn about other people wisdom, knowledge, success and experience. I remember when I still small, when my papa give me one book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The things when I learn from that book still dey help me till today. Na im make rich people dey always dey teach their pikin how to read better books so that dem go fit get better information wey go help their life and their future. Number 2, rich people sabi teach their pikin about money. Rich people wey get business sabi teach their pikin about money when dem still small. Rich people sabi teach their pikin about the business wey dem dey do so that their pikin go sabi their business well, because dem know say e make sense if the business and the money flow from one generation to the next generation. Rich people dey teach their pikin about investment, buying and selling, capital, savings, shares and how to spend money wisely. Number 3, rich people dey build their pikin talent plus skills. Rich people understand say talent and skills na im dey make person get value. So once dem notice say their pikin get one kind talent from small, dem go start to dey train that pikin well until the pikin turn to ogbologbo and master for that thing wey the pikin sabi. Rich people sabi teach their pikin plenty better things and skills wey dem no dey learn for school. Dem no go just leave their pikin like that. Dem dey teach their pikin how to talk, how to mix with people, how to market themselves and how to do different kinds of things. And if you like to advertise your business for inside our documentary, or you wan do short video adverts for your business, abeg contact us and let us know how far.